presenting a pre-owned 2019 BMW. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable auto transmission. This BMW has less than 78,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include cold weather package, sport package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt, force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.